Hello students, today's topic is singular and plural. If you have already learned this chapter, now it's time to practice because grammar becomes strong only when you use it. Let's do a quick revision. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. For example, one kite becomes many kites. One bag to two bags. Most of the time we add s or es to form plurals. But there are other forms too, which you already know if you have studied this chapter. Don't worry, practice will make everything clear. Let's solve an example 1. I saw many blank in the sky. The word many tells us that we need a plural noun. So the correct sentence is, I saw many kites in the sky. 2. She has two blank. The word two means more than one. So we use a plural form. So the correct sentence is, she has two bags. See, it's simple and easy. Just look for words like many, two, three. They tell you to use plural nouns. Now it's your turn. Pause the video. Solve the rest of the worksheet on your own. Done? Great. Now go to the comments and write your honest score. Also, tell me where you are from. I love reading your comments. And if you want more such worksheets from Practice Zone, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Keep practicing, keep improving. See you in the next video. Thank you.